a bill for an act to alter the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, Cap C23, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria, 2004, to provide for the establishment of the Eccesiacal Court of Appeal of the FCT, Abuja, and establishment of the Eccesiastical Courts of Appeal of States, to provide for the functions, jurisdiction, qualifications, appointments, and tenure of the Ecclesiastical Courts of Appeal and for other related matters. I so move, honorable colleagues. Thank you.
Honorable, second.
From Ekiti West, Nigera, and the Federal Constituency of the State, I rise to second the motion as ably moved by Honorable Gyang. I so second.
Honorable Gyang, 2 minutes.
This bill seeks to amend about 14 provisions and alterations with about 4 insertions to provide for the establishment, like I've said, of ecclesiastical courts in Nigeria. And indeed, it complies and conforms with Section 37 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic, which guarantees freedom of thought, conscience, and religion, including worship, teaching, and practice and observance. The alteration being sought
order, please.
has addressed the issue of the qualification, appointment, and tenure of cardinals, which is in the section 27B1 to 5. That has taken care of the appointments of those that ought to be qualified, and those that will be cardinals will have to be learned in law. The jurisdiction of these appellate courts, dear Speaker and honorable colleagues, is that it shall exercise such appellate and supervisory jurisdiction in civil proceedings involving questions of ecclesiastical law and Christian personal law as provided in the new section 270C 1 and 2. Like I said, in all, it has 14 alterations in section 6, 84, 185, 240, 246, 247, 288, 289, 292, and 318 of the Principal Act. It alters the 2nd, 3rd, 6th, and 7th schedule of the Principal Act. It has 4 insertions in Part 1G, Section 270, A to E, Part 2D, Section 285, A to E, and a citation. I want to say, honorable colleagues, that this amendment will no doubt widen the scope of jurisprudence, adjudication, and legal practice in our nation, and bring to reality the administration of ecclesiastical Christian tenets and law in adjudicating matters of personal Christian law and civil matters, which shall be prescribed in the rules of practice and procedure of the Ecclesiastical Court. Honorable Speaker and dear colleagues, I rely on the tradition and the precedents already established on matters that has to do with constitutional amendment bills to submit that this bill receives your support and consideration by the Constitution Review Committee. Thank you, Honorable Speaker and colleagues. I so move.
In favor of the motion say aye. Those against it say nay. The ayes have it. Clerks are invited to read the long title.
Honorable members, a bill for an act to alter the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999, Cap C23 Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, to provide for the establishment of the Ecclesiastical Court of Appeal of the Federal Capital Territory Abuja, and the establishment of Ecclesiastical Courts of Appeal of the states to provide for the functions, jurisdictions, qualifications, appointments, and tenure of the Ecclesiastical Courts of Appeal and for other related matters. Second reading.
Special Ad Hoc Committee on the Review of the 1999 Constitution.